Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to filter leads. In Leads page, there are 3 ways to filter leads. 1. Search by status. Select any one option from Select Status drop-down button. And then, click on Search button. Second, search by lead owner. Click on Select User drop-down button, and select lead owner's name. And then, click on Search button. Third, date range. Select appropriate date range, and then, click on Search button. Also, we can filter leads with use of Unassigned leads, Assigned leads, or All leads option. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.